Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best hand trucks for stairs that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Push Cart Dolly by Wellmax, moving platform hand truck. If you need a serious dolly for frequent hauling, this model is your best bet. It has an excellent handle and grip, a non-stick surface, and perfect wheel design. While hand trucks are great for navigating more complex environments and dealing with taller packages, if you have a level space and need to handle as much weight as you can safely, dollies are often more useful, and this is the best dolly model we've seen. It's able to deal with up to 330 pounds and has a great handle with solid gripping. If you want to clear your pavement to make it easier to use your dolly, then you'll need to pick up our best ice scraper for sidewalks. The dolly platform itself is made from a durable, non-slip surface, so you won't have to worry about objects falling off on the way. This also makes it easier to stack objects if you need to. We also really like the wheels, which are 360 swivel models that make positioning and navigating particularly easy. If you've got a larger load to carry, you might want to look at our review of the best car dolly instead. A handle that's too short means you'll be stooping over to push. For a short trip from your car to your door, a compact design is usually fine, but think carefully about how you're going to use a cart before you buy it. Number 2, Magna Cart Personal 150 pounds capacity aluminum folding hand truck. When fully opened and extended, the Magna Cart Personal hand truck features a 39-inch handle and a wide 15-inch base. It allows you to easily transport loads weighing up to 150 pounds. It's ideal for the person moving into an apartment or dorm room, or for use in smaller offices thanks to its dimensions when collapsed. With the base plate folded up and the wheels tucked in, the Magna Cart Personal hand truck is only 2.5 inches deep and can easily tuck away under a bed, on a shelf, in a closet, or in the trunk of your car. Another thing that's compact about this hand truck is the price. It's a highly affordable piece of equipment and a justifiable expense, even if you'll only use it for one move or for setting up a new office. However, do note that its 150-pound weight capacity is also pretty small, especially compared to other units on our list, so don't try to move a fridge with this thing. The drawback to this design is that you might accidentally lift the collapsed hand truck with your fingers on that red release bar, causing the handle to extend as you lift. We would recommend this hand truck for use at trade shows or anywhere else you need to move a small pile of awkwardly shaped boxes. When everyone else is waiting for the convention center loading dock crew to loan out their one or two closely guarded delivery carts. Number 3, 12204 ASB 1E2 in 1 hybrid hand truck. This Cosco 3-in-1 aluminum hand truck can convert from a 2-wheel upright hand truck to an assisted 4-wheel hand truck or a 4-wheel cart. It can hold up to 800 pounds, but, when used as a 4-wheeled cart, it has a whopping 1,000-pound weight load capacity. We've used this to move awkward and heavy counters, and it does the job with ease, one customer reported. You can make it so the second set of wheels come down on a tilt, so you don't really have to support any weight when you are wheeling something around. I really like that it folds down, so it becomes a cart as well. You can have a cart with an end flap, or you can put the end flap down, kind of like a luggage cart. But we definitely pick it over the more expensive Cosco Maxi Mover for handling heavy objects. The drawback to this design is that, while it's handy to have both a hand truck and a cart sometimes, it's not a very good cart. The caster wheels are small, the bed has holes in it, and the handle is too short in this mode. If you're moving a few boxes or a small crate around, it's pretty good, but then so is a regular hand truck. Number 4, Folding Hand Truck Heavy Duty 155 pounds loading. Weighing a mere 4 pounds, this light-duty hand truck by Tomser is perfect for home use. It folds away super small, under 18 inches, so you can tuck it away in a closet or even in a backpack if you're on the go when not in use, and it can hold up to 155 pounds, which is ideal for moving smaller items around the house and garden, carrying luggage, or taking things to and from the car with ease. I live downtown in a 4th-floor small apartment, and this cart has been a savior, wrote one reviewer. I can securely carry all sorts of items up to my flat in one no-nonsense trip. It's lightweight and it collapses flat for easy storage in my car or closet. Converting from hand truck to cart mode requires no tools and takes mere seconds, as does folding the whole thing flat for storage when the job is done for the day. Just don't try to go off-road in the 4-wheel cart position. because two of the wheels are rather small and only suitable for use on hard surfaces. Just make sure you make use of the built-in belt and belt tightener to secure the load to the hand truck, because even the best hand truck in the world can't help you if its cargo falls off of it. Number 5. Orange Tech Folding Hand Truck, 155 pounds. This adaptable hand truck comes with a broad base plate and straps to secure items. That makes it perfect for everything from handling luggage to dealing with your latest big shopping trip. Convertible hand trucks are nice, but most of them are still designed to be used for carrying extra heavy or large supplies and not much else. This folding hand cart takes things in a different direction. It's a hybrid between truck and dolly with a collapsible handle that can be adjusted at several different heights. This, plus the included strap, means that the truck can be used for a luggage carried just as easily as hauling in a heavy appliance. It also has larger, wear-resistant back wheels for dealing with larger loads. Just be careful that you don't exceed the capacity of 150 pounds. If you prefer to use your truck for transfer, you'll want one of the best truck bed liner mats for protection. Or you could just get some of the best truck bed liners. Which isn't a huge problem with reasonable loads, but it made us a bit nervous when moving bags of dirt and sand. For objects that might fall off in the upright mode, the cart mode works well, but that lovely long handle is shortened. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.